Yeah, hi, this is Satya Chenno. So today we're going to discuss about Protege tool, like which is used to make a ontologies and the relations between them. So it is used to represent a web ontology language which is called OWL. So it is a language which is a web language designed to represent rich and complex knowledge about things, groups, and people. So now I have created between relation between the people. So I have created a family, like having aunt, daughter, father, mother, parent, son, uncle. So to design a relation between them, we need to create subclasses. Like we can add subclasses under person, and like we can add we need to add some data types, individuals, and some we need to add some properties to show the ontology figure. So this is basically it is referred to a semantic web technology stack, which includes RDF, RDFS, and SparkQL. So this is mainly used for sketching the graph, which is having the relation between them. And the main important thing is about Protege. This is a Protege tool, which we can, which is used to, which is used to maintain a graph between. So you can see here hash child, hash gender, hash parent, hash sibling. So like these things we can maintain in a complete visualization. Like we can visualize the things and we can visualize the relation between them. So this is a free source ontology editor, which is used to building intelligent systems. So if we have a different categories and we have different entities, we can create a model which will be used for the I think it will be used in real time softwares, like which is in corporate sectors, in government sectors, to build like it is used to build the solutions in the areas of medicine, e-commerce, and some organizational modeling. So this is used in real-time applications, like which is helpful for business modeling. And so you can see here we have owl, like which is a main language. So under person I created these classes, subclasses. So in these subclasses I have given the relation. So how, like I have given the property, the object property has child, has gender, has parent, has sibling. So like how we can give is like if you can right click on the person and you can add a sibling classes, subclasses. So if you want to add a sibling class, we can add sibling classes as well. In the same way, like we need to add individuals. So after going to individuals, so we need to add the types, we need to add first we need to add these things, and then we need to add we need to send to particular category. So here I have added Mary and Sai as instances, and I have made these things to the person. So like that it will link to the person and it will maintain a relation. So and coming to gender. So we have we have so male and female instances, like which comes under gender female. Here we have two mainly two categories, which will be like, for example, for son we have, it will be male, and for mother and for daughter, for aunt, it will be female. This is how it will segregate all the things and it will show the visualization between them. So this is how the ontology works, and this is the importance of ontology, like which can be designed by using our language in a Protege tool. So that's all. This is ICP 7. So you can see the detailed information in my wiki report and the source code and all those things. Yeah, thank you so much.